Welcome to the video tutorial on how to use your own domain for your OSI affiliate software. Your OSI affiliate software by default is your company name.ositracker.com, and this is already a secured URL included in your package. Now, you could go ahead and use your own domain, and in order for you to do this, just log into your OSI affiliate software admin dashboard and just click on Setup Software and click on Use My Domain. So here you can put in, for example, a test.subdomain.com for an example, and just click on Update. Now, once you do that, go to your domain registrar or web hosting provider, which manages your DNS records for your domain name, and set up a CNAME record that you can point to the ositracker.com domain. So in this example, if your DNS is managed by the domain registrar GoDaddy, add a CNAME zone record as shown here, and you can put anything you want, and you just need to pinpoint it to your account domain location you have with us. And once you're done, just click on Finish. So just wait for about 5 to 10 minutes before checking the domain, and it should be active after about 10 minutes. Now, to make your customized domain secured, please register an SSL certificate like with Namecheap.com. Then we'll install it for you for just $25 per month. Just send over the certificate to support@osiaffiliate.com and indicate the request for a secured custom affiliate link. And that's how you set up your own domain. Thanks for watching.